Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude Desktop in Windows. So what you're going to do is go to the official web page. So basically Claude AI /new. So log in into your profile on your web page. And now make sure that you see here, we are right now in Claude, Chrome. So you will see here in this where the API uh, URL is on the right side. You will see here monitor with arrow down. So if you hover over, you will see install Claude. And yeah, what you need to do is just click on it, and you will get this pop-up window to install the app. So Claude.ai, you will install it. Click on install button, and the download will begin. Okay, so now when you are good with that, you will see here, let me just open up this. You will see app installed on your computer now. So as you can see now, we are not anymore on the web, but we have the app right on our computer. So this is basically how you can install on Windows. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you